guys, today welcome back to my channel, and this is one of the YouTube shorts. And I have this, and this is just a very short video. So we're gonna open only one of this, even if it's not Christmas yet. I just got back from the movies, and when I just got back from the movies, I was testing out how to open this, and it was very hard to open. So I have to get half of the cardboard off to actually get the candy. But, okay, that was only a little bit. I'm just kidding, I'm not doing that. But this is actually so hard to open, I'm not gonna lie. Give me scissors. Guys, so I don't know what's inside of this, but let's actually look inside. Look at these. Oh look. Comment down below what's actually your favorite flavor of this candy. Is it like these strawberry mini Mentos? They're strawberry and they're mini. What about the ice cream Chupa Chups? Or the flavor, the fruit mini Mentos? Or the strawberry, so the strawberry Chupa Chups? Or would you prefer to strawberry flavor? There is milk, coconut milk, strawberry, I think. Coconut milk with strawberry, or regular milk. And we also got this green apple Chupa Chups. And we're moving on to the Christmas one last. And there's also the Coke one that everyone doesn't like. I don't like this flavor, but I guess. And here comes the Christmas Chupa Chups. And this is the candy cane Chupa Chups. And these are maybe new. They're new, and they're maybe like the Chupa Chups flavors. So these are the Chupa Chups, and these are the Mentos, and this one's strawberry, which looks like red. And we also have these candy canes, which is for Christmas. And guys, if you know these red stuff, they're actually maybe the blood sacrifice of Jesus. So I'll see you guys. Bye. Okay. So like, subscribe, share, comment, and ring the notifications on my channel. And make sure you also important things like I just said, like and subscribe. Bye guys.